Hi friends, let me show you this new CarPlay adapter that you can use with your Apple phone in wired CarPlay cars. This is so convenient because you only are going to pair this accessory via Bluetooth with your phone, and you will have your CarPlay applications in your car without having to connect your phone with a cable, okay? If your car has a USB-A or USB-C port, you can connect it really easy and you will pair it with a Bluetooth connection. Let's do it. Friends, so let me show you. I am going to use my wireless CarPlay adapter in my car. It is a wired car, so I need to use this kind of cable to use my CarPlay. But now I am going to use my adapter. It has a USB-A port, so I am going to use it just like that. You just connect it. So you just have to turn on your car and the USB adapter will be available in the Bluetooth connections. Let's look for it. Okay, so here it is, CarPlay box. You will see the number here, the code, and it's the same over there. And that's it. You will connect to CarPlay. So now, as you can see, we have our CarPlay applications in the car with the phone not being connected through a cable or a wire. So this is really convenient when you want to use your phone, your CarPlay application in the car, but you don't want to be carrying these kind of cables. So this is a really nice option. Really small accessory, a small adapter, and you get all your CarPlay's usefulness in your car. So thank you very much.